I like that no one else is taking that low either.
There you go. Boom. Boom.
Oh, didn't hit my limit yet. I'm taking a low. Come
Yep.
on. Ah! I hate when it does that. But no one else is even
Nice.
close to the low, so I'm pretty confident
Nice
here.
though. Can run on stream and give a 20-point banger.
Did we take the low? We did take the
We
low.
did take the low, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
but M
yes
and
we
Q
did.
didn't fucking
Oh, got you. But
lift it up.
I mean, we haven't taken eight. We haven't taken
So I got
898
2 runners
though.
left to
Nice.
898.
Yep. Beauty.
I hope someone else banked on that bad boy.
Yeah. Quite a few people took it.
That's I've
Nice.
seen that screen time over so many times.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, M and Q's hilarious. Like,
Yep.
let's go. Give us 898. Come on, Nazi. The 5-minute balance price range above. We are now way below those green candles. If we stay below those green candles,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be a lot happier with this trade. Let's go. Come on. I guess I gotta watch NQ here. I'm glad you guys made some cash.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Stream
It's
over.
been a shitty few
See you guys
days.
tomorrow.
Been a shitty couple of afternoons. So
Yeah.
I'm glad I could give you something that I was pretty certain of.
That's how it was this morning. I did not want to stream the morning and then afternoon today. I just wanted
Watch
time
that
to trade
series of
myself.
watch that series of green candles on the 5-minute. You don't want to see it close up into that.
Oh yeah, up here. Yeah, you want to see this?
Oh, it's coming into it now. But still,
Yeah,
if it closes in there, I might lower the stop. I don't want it coming into there.
Yeah, you want to see a 5-minute OB form here? Yeah.
At a minimum,
Yep.
could just do a run on the high quickly too. Shouldn't. But we're the only ones. Nas the only one that took the low, so there's
Yeah.
SMT for now. But, I mean, it's gonna take that low. I don't know when. But okay, that's good.
It's a good sign. It's a good sign.
Just keep close. 15 seconds. Gotta close below those green candles. You did. Below the lows, even better.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. All
So
right.
now I got a series of green candles, which is a
All
nice
right.
little
Take this.
block there. We've rejected the 1 minute. Let's just take a stab down there.
There it is.
Boom, bam, boom.
Nice. Oh, it didn't take it yet. Almost. Almost.
No, I'm done. Like I.
Oh, yeah.
My,
Yeah. No, it's nice. Nice.
Sorry, guys.
Beauty.
I should be less emotional on the stream. But it just feels good to be like understanding the market again after this little shit show we've had to experience.
Oh. Yeah, this was nasty.
It might do a squeeze up here, back up until 5 minutes.
I was just gonna say we could come up into the 5-minute and or at least just come test these 5 minutes as well. But
I think you should be out of most of your position by now.
yeah, for sure.
But it might, I think that it's very juicy, that liquidity there.
Yeah, makes sense.
There it goes. Doesn't usually fuck around when it goes for those kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
Comes all the way up to 50% and doesn't take that low. To me, that's a pyramid entry.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's not going to do it.
No, it's gonna take a low here. Yeah.
Maybe not.
We do have a pretty good
Run out all
SMT.
these people chasing, you know.
Yeah.
That's what they'll do. They'll viciously bring it up the high to get rid of everyone who jumped on. Say, oh, I'll take a few points.
Mm-hmm. We do have an SMT. ES is pretty strong here still, so.
You can take that low first. We'll do that S&P.
Oh yeah.
Then
It's a better yeah.
As long as that low's there, I would not be long.
Yep. Yep. No, you pretty much have equal lows here on the hourlies, but
Could come all the way up now to the hour to like the high again, and hourly order block.
Block, yeah.
But I think it's gonna take the low first.
You hope.
Look how damn close we are. Like it'll probably, if it does take the low, I expect it to bang the order block down there. 898.25. Did it take it at Leopard?
890, no, not yet.
Sorry, the
Equal
order
lows
block
now.
is 891.75.
Yeah.
That closes the gap. Oh, there we go.
Boom. All right, there it is.
Anyone brave enough to suit this? I won't.
It feels closer to 2 o'clock.
Yeah. So we can go ambitiously like Thursday's lows too.
Yep, exactly. Got 20 minutes yet.
Look at them all go down now.
Yep.
I'm done.
Nice.
Hope you guys are all out now.
Oh yeah.
I want to hold a runner here.
It was like 32 points. Yeah.
Good job, JM Hawk, Amy, Rafi.
Yep.
Rafi, I hope we got you in a couple $100 today. $7. That gold's still holding.
Okay.
Nice. I like that, Rafi.
Hell yeah. Yeah, nothing says the
Bounce
longest
point could probably be around 7891 if we get one.
yet. Yeah.
We're hitting it now to 7891.
Yep.
Could just rip right through this order block too. But now we
Nice, Adolf.
looking like we're losing our SMT too.
Yep, we are. We're close. Yeah, still hanging on.
Rip down to the lows.
I would say we could rip if we rip down to 826 here before 2 o'clock. I am gonna turn the burners on for some turtle soup. So.
Just bear in mind, 875.25 is weekly equilibrium.
Yep. Yeah, I had that marked a little bit ago.
Yeah.
This.
All right, SMT is history.
It is gone now. Yes. Is it gone with that hourly low we just took though? Oh yeah. No. So we still have the SMT mark.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So this was the PCE candle that came back down to OTE. That was the hourly low that you just shorted. That you shorted too, I believe, right? No. Yeah.
You know
So
what I'm watching now is could have a potential hourly inverse here too.
yeah.
Well, Wolf, you're still in, bro. That's smart. You got some. Nice.
Oh, he's out. He's out. He's out.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
He was holding.
Yep. He just wanted a few more points.
Yeah, there was a few more. We don't have SMT on the low of the day, but
No.
we do have it on the low we just took from Tuesday
Yep.
or Thursday of last week. We're also getting into a very discounted territory now, so it's
Yeah.
longs are dangerous. I mean, if you got the weekly equilibrium at 875.25,
Yeah.
like, that's pretty damn close.
Yep. So bearish. We haven't even got like 50% retraces.
But I mean, like weekly equilibrium is like I think it could take that low, but I think weekly equilibrium might give it a bounce at the
It
rejection
could.
block first. And it might take that low tomorrow, and like a Wednesday low of the week potentially.
Yep.
Or just take it.
Nikos took this 5-minute BPR here.
The one that I took.
Yeah, he was asking what trade we just took. I think he missed it. But yeah, we shorted. Mark shorted here at 9:29.
Get here at 1:30.
So.
Yeah.
And then
As soon as I got on here, I
yeah.
said that's the trade. But
Yeah.
we'll find another one, buddy. Don't you worry.
The target was this low. Oh yeah, he did have no sound. That's right.
Oh no.
Yeah, poor guy.
Well, it's okay.
Yeah.
Guys. We'll see if we can find another
Yeah.
one.
We might get it long here. We might get it long if
If
we
we
can.
inverse that 1 hour before taking the daily
Oh
low,
yeah.
I would look at that as a short as well.
Yeah.
It's like we've closed way below. This is bearish as fuck. Excuse my language. Hopefully Dodgy won't remove me. So if we measure the swing on the 5-minute, look where equilibrium is, Leopard.
Are you talking?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, right at the
Right,
5-minute
that
above
iron
it,
FEG and the order
and the
block.
overblock. Yep.
So that could be another.
I was just kind of just watching that, but yeah. If we got some kind of like, the problem is, yeah, this would be the woman OB I would want, and I guess it would still deliver 10 points
I feel
to
like
equilibrium.
we haven't hit weekly equilibrium yet, so pretty much.
Yeah.
What do we do? So what's weekly equilibrium? 875.25.
Yeah. I'm watching to see if we close over this. How was the AM stream this morning? I wasn't there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, no, Amy forgives me. She just made some
That's
cash.
right.
She'll be happy.
Nothing. Alright, let's see if we close over here. What do you think about this 1 minute mark if we get it?
For a long?
Up to the 5 minute, yeah.
I'm not long in anything. Take that. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't trash. There was if you were bearish, man, it was amazing.
Yeah.
I just wasn't bearish.
It got trash after the big move. Yeah.
Yeah,
so
like you could
this
have
was
taken that 5 minute FEG. There was another 15 minute later.
Yeah.
You could have whipped down on.
Yeah.
I wasn't bearish, so I missed a lot of that.
Yeah.
I thought
Same.
bounce.
Yeah, Shaq. I was gonna stream, and then like I didn't get home till like it was like 8:25, 9:25 market time, and like it is a lot to stream AM and then come on to PM and then try to trade your own accounts. It's definitely a lot. So
A lot of times what happens is we have a key level,
yeah.
equilibrium or CE of something, and we'll come down and we'll consolidate it above it with everyone thinking that we reversed. And then it'll be a nasty stop run dipping below and then it reverses. So that's why the 875.25 for me, like I'm not gonna long. I might be wrong, and it might go down, but I don't want to long until it's touched. Because I've seen this happen a million times, where they try and fake out that they're reversing.
Yeah, the CE of the weekly LB or mean threshold, whatever you want to call it.
No, that's the that's not the CE. That's the weekly equilibrium on the swing.
Oh, okay. You're talking. Yeah. Cause yeah. So remember last night, I my first target today was the 4 hour 50%, and we just crushed that today. And then I was like, okay, let's go look at the daily. So I was like, okay, let's look at the daily. The daily was like up here at like it was like 102, and we just crushed it. We crushed through that. I was like, okay, well, yeah, we need to go look at the weekly. So I haven't looked at the weekly yet, but I see what you're talking about now. Okay.
Yeah, just mark that swing and look exactly where the move is. It's a weekly equilibrium. That's a very high time frame.
Okay. Yeah. So we basically.
And it's also within the 20-day IP to data look back, so that's like a key level. We might dip into it, but I'd watch how the 1 minute interacts with it if we go into it. Like if we go below and then we have displacement going through it, that becomes high probability for at least some points coming back up. But still, we're pretty damn bearish, so be careful. We could easily go all the way down to the low. Because we have not, I was thinking leopard, we have not taken a daily swing low in months.
Yeah.
So I think it's ready for it.
It makes sense.
Thursday, I do. And it has to, like, at some point get some liquidity. It can't just keep going up like that. Alright, see, we're going, okay, we're going down. Okay, watch it to hit the level.
878.
875.25.
Oh, 75 was
875,
okay.
75.
Yeah, close.
ICT says good enough for government work.
Jeez.
It's one of his favorite sayings.
Oh my god.
When he, whenever he does his videos, he'll say, close enough, good enough for government work.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong, that's for sure. Nice,
Nice,
yeah.
Eldo, I go, glad you passed that, buddy.
No, don't blow it.
Still haven't hit that level. We missed it by 2 ticks. Will you measure it, Leopard?
I was gonna ask if you measured it, like, because the weekly's hard to draw, because it's just, here, we'll try to make it super big so I can't really mess it up here. Alright.
I just want to make sure that we
well, the low is 372.75. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you're really gonna make me do this here.
Don't you use the magnets?
Oh yeah, I could. I could, huh? Yeah. Good.
Yeah, man, you gotta.
Good
use
point.
the magnets.
Yeah. No,
otherwise, you're working like an anti-pan your back.
Man, that's like working for the government right there without control.
Yeah.
Man.
Use those damn magnets.
All right. 75.25. So yeah, you're right. No, you're right.
Yeah, just
Yep.
double check that. 'Cause another thing we got to watch is that hourly inverse.
Yep.
Because it's coming back in now.
Yeah. Could come up to this 5 minute here.
Yeah, I mean, this is I mean, we're just basing it off his level. It
Yeah.
could go, within
Right.
3 ticks on a weekly level is an acceptable
Yeah,
margin of error.
absolutely.
I would want to see displacement above the 5 minute high before I took a look about hitting that. Yeah,
Watching this 2 minute or this 1 minute here.
but we have no SMT or anything, so
Yep.
I mean, I'd like, as another note, if we want to go long, we want to see one of the indices take out a level.
Yeah. Yeah, ES didn't. I didn't think so. Yeah, ES did not take that same low mark, so we still have the SMT on that low.
But I mean, and I look at today's stuff too.
We're right, but
But you're right. You're right. We do have the SMT, and we did not inverse the hourly. So unless it does a quick reversal, we're not going to. Because you got to think everyone's diving on for the low of Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
So of course they want to inflate some pain first.
You took that 30-second long Rafi? Okay. There's 1 minute inverse. I'm gonna try a micro here just for fun on an eval. I'm gonna enter right here as soon as we hit.
Don't mess it
the
up,
body.
Rafi, man. Those 20 accounts. Every $100.
There he is.
$2,000. Oh no, nice. Stop
See.
break even.
I should come down to this.
Is options here?
He thought I see him. Maybe not. Nope. Yeah, there he is. He's typing now.
Oh,
He's,
good.
oh, he's a busy man. You're trading this? No, I'm just kidding.
We had options. I hope you're killing it, bro. I know you weren't happy with yesterday. This morning, my top step just got assaulted. It was destroyed. Trying to put long back up, but at least my Rafi selection did well.
Yeah, you're not wrong, Scott. This could be the silver bullet. This could be the silver bullet right here, Mark.
We're not even at 2 o'clock.
It could be.
You're taking
right,
yourself
right.
a little short or long?
Long.
Look at how it's like, 5 minutes, and I think we're going to inverse this hourly.
Yep.
We inverse that hourly, and then it's a beautiful trade on the short.
So yeah. Okay, so we know 906 is that. What's the 50% of this swing? Okay.
What I like about that higher 5 minute fair value gap level is that it's right about the breaker level. Too.
Oh yeah. You're
It's
right.
the unicorn is it called?
Mm-hmm.
A very, very trendy day here.
I did take 2 MNQ on an eval up here.
Long?
Yeah, just long. And then my stop's just going to be will be a close back below this 1 minute fair value gap. So because that also aligns with the mean threshold of this 1 minute. So if it closes below that 1 minute, I just completely went out. So it's like an 8-point stop on 2 MNQ. So just a fun little forward test. I like to draw up here, like you said too. So.
Nice when the market cooperates.
Yeah, when it does.
Makes all the shitty days worth it.
For sure. Looking like it stopped out here. Like it stopped. Alright. Yeah. Oh, I know. That's why it's 2 MNQ one. I'm not worried about it. Not worried about it. Alright.
What I
Yeah.
don't want to see is
I did exit.
a 15-minute immediate rebalance, like with a very tiny body.
Yep.
Because all that can happen there is you open and go below and dump.
No, yeah. there she goes, Mark. There she goes.
Levels 891.75 on the hourly.
Okay, 891. Oh, we're
I'm watching as the inverse level.
Yep.
She goes without me, she goes without me.
Yep.
Don't care. I've lost way too much money chasing. I find every time I chase it, it ends up going back up to where I thought it would go. So I'd rather let it do that or let it go. Very quiet.
Let's see. Yeah, curious. 2 o'clock should really tell us if we don't get some kind of direction. I hope. Like if
Is that your copy trader on Top Step options or the one on TradeAway?
yes.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be good. I use the TradeAway one. Seems to work okay. Oh, it's an immediate rebalance. I don't like that.
Nope.
Immediate rebalance are very deadly. Never stop. If you notice the rebalance, it's on the wick of the 15-minute, right around equilibrium will probably be where the inverse is. Exactly at equilibrium if you measure it. Which tells you there's 2 levels to watch.
That'd be interesting. All right, 2 o'clock's
Okay,
here.
so that 1 hour is inversed.
Yep.
So it's either going to dump or we'll get immediate rebalance or we're going to go all the way up. It's group trading, Joe. Group trading, and they just kind of add things in your group. Just Google TradeAway group trading. Yeah, some pretty good instructions. So, Leopard, the question is, are we going to
Yep.
go all the way into that 15-minute FEG, or do we just go halfway up the wick and dump?
On the 1 minute you watching or the?
I like the way the FEG on the 15-minute, 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
I like the way the FEG took the low, so
Yeah.
that's why I would be inclined to hold for it.
Right here. Yeah.
Let's
Yep.
look at the big swing from the 15-minute and see what it tells us to. Equilibrium of that 15-minute
15
swing takes
is
us all the way back to the beginning.
way below. Yeah.
Not sure we'll get that high, but
No, I don't think so.
possible.
It is. Yep. Let's see what happens. 2 o'clock. Let's see what happens between now and 2:10, and usually I don't want to fade that. So if we keep dumping here, I think we'll go for Thursday's low. If we get some kind of retrace here, we might get some kind of like hourly
We
retrace.
did break the order block on 2 o'clock with this close
Okay, yep.
on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
I do them on TradeAway TV. I think TradingView. Some people like it. I hate their execution. It's so slow and laggy. So where's our silver bullet?
Let's see. I have to take the lows here first. Oh.
I don't want touching that equilibrium. Gotta be patient with you, I guess.
Yep.
First 5-minute candle of an hour is always wonky.
3 working days, yeah. Oh, SPY's hitting a trend line here, guys. So I'm not gonna waste my time. Never mind. Oh.
Just hope it doesn't start dumping again.
Why? Don't you want that 75-25?
Just don't see what you're saying. Well, I think we're gonna take, no matter what, we're gonna go for some at least some more lows. So the next swing low I see on the hourly is
There you go, like
857.75.
this could be the failure swing. Did ES retake this low? It did not. Okay, so there's no SMT on this low.
Oh, Dow did.
Oh, did it? Okay.
But I mean, I don't like, like a nice 15-minute.
Yeah.
swing low. I mean, you could come all the way to 50% of the hourly swing here. Gotta be really careful, because that's an hourly swing outside of a hourly FEG, and they might want to go all the way up and test the order block in 27. So, I want to go take some liquidity.
Yep, good. We could get a nice move up to the hourly, for sure.
Although, I mean, if we violate that 15-minute at the low, then I'll change my bias. Because FEG's lows are very key.
Yep.
You don't want those inversed. So it's relative equal lows here. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, back into the
Yeah.
inverse.
Watching.
Watch that 15-minute.
I'm watching the 5 minute, see if it goes over this down candle.
Careful with the longs, bro. That's all I can say.
I'm just saying I want to be able to watch out for it if it closes over.
Oh yeah. I would look at the one more of it.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
one from 140 and one
Yeah.
is an order block.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not so worried about the other one. It's kind of inside you have an inside consolidation
Yeah.
like that. Because you're also going up. You got all those 5 order blocks up there too.
Yeah.
Like we could take out the high from 139. If we get up there, but it looks like we're just rejecting on the inverse.
Yeah, so far.
Not an optimal situation, I think.
Weren't you all about taking 75-25?
What's that?
Weren't you all about taking 75-25?
What do you mean 75-25?
8 equilibrium on the weekly. Isn't that what you wanted?
Yeah, but I would like to see it come up and give us a trade down to it.
Oh, okay.
Because then it gives us a draw. If it takes it first,
Yeah.
it makes it a little more difficult.
Yeah. Why not just look for a long then? It is 2 o'clock, so if we get a long position at 2 o'clock.
It's just looking for a long into an inverse is kind of.
Yeah.
I would much rather get the short. To be just I'm not fighting the river, so to speak. It's like you're swimming upstream.
No, Nikos. You can have an SMT with ES or NQ and still always take NQ for a soup. So, yeah, you can have an SMT on any of them and always take NQ. It does not. It does not have to take liquidity on NQ. ES could take the low and. NQ doesn't, so, and then your stop loss is just if the SMT gets broke. Uh, 2 o'clock mark and we're stuck.
Yeah, it'll get there. Like I'm looking at 738.50 as a potential.
Yeah. ES did leave equal lows on them lows.
Just be careful here. Take that back on that
Oh, I guess we are watching 5 minutes. Let's go 1 minute here.
But I still am confident in short with that inverse. Plus we violated order blocks.
Yep. Yeah, Nikas, I mean, you could then target 50% up here or this 15-minute fair value gap right here.
Yeah, I'm watching it come into this 15-minute FVG here.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does. It could come to the 5-minute up above too,
Yep.
because it's got those order blocks in it that they might want to tag. But just keep an eye on that low at at 907.50. That's a PD array as well.
That's funny, Scott.
You might guess. I hope he's clean up.
All right, there's the 15-minute. All right, you looking for a short here, Mark?
I'm short.
You're straight up shorting it. Okay.
We have equal lows.
We do have equal lows. Okay, yeah. You're not wrong. Okay. All right, these are the equal lows. You're after the equal lows mark, or you're after 75.25, or both? Both.
Equal lows.
Okay.
75.25 is pretty much at the equal lows.
Yeah. Yeah. Once we sweep these, we probably should just take everything. But.
Oh fuck! I had to close because I hit the consistency target.
Oh.
well, I'm out, but that's fine.
Okay.
I have no top steps left to trade today, so.
Watch it.
Just do
Well, I mean, it already did deliver 10 points already. So if anybody did take that, I'll just go break even. And
if we inverse that one, I mean, there's another trade. Right?
yeah, that too. So I want to see this inversed. What do you think on this, Mark? You think this still works?
Yeah.
Nice reaction out of the 1 minute there.
Well, I think it's gonna work, but it might want to go up and tag the order blocks up there.
Yeah.
That 5-minute above.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense.
I mean, it can go as high as back into that PPR. But
Oh.
that would be a nasty.
And we could come back up into this 5 minute too at 9:09 as well. So.
Yeah, I kind of don't want to closing in that 15-minute because then you got a candle below you,
Yeah.
which is a down candle. But
That's the 15. This is the 5 minute. Yep.
she does the snap down to equilibrium here. I would enter again or stay in.
Yeah, so did we just hit? I think we just hit 50% too. So yeah, we just hit 50% on of this swing. So I'm gonna get out of this 15 here.
I'd watch that higher one. And
Yeah, I'm
make
watching
sure
that.
you would like to see a snap down on the 15-minute down to equilibrium to close the
Yeah.
candle. Not that if it doesn't do that, it won't go down, but that's much higher.
Yeah.
far it's rejecting nicely.
Yep. Yeah, so far, a nice reaction there. Would have been better if we got up into that 5 minute, but let's see. We got a minute till this candle closes, so
It's rejecting. Yeah, I mean, it could reject and then go back up.
oh yeah, yep, for sure.
Lots of stuff doing this stuff on the high gap. I would prefer to see it like way above the gap and then snap down right for 14, 50 seconds.
Yep.
Oof.
Nice reaction. Yep. So I'm gonna go back to that 1 minute that we had drawn. Is anybody gonna take this 1 minute?
Long?
Short. The short. The 1 minute. The 1 minute inverse. If we get it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Just be careful on the 1 minute inverse below an FEG because sometimes it can go back up and retest the FEG.
Yep.
But it might not care.
Yeah. Let's see.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah. The fact we're coming back down to hit into
There's
here.
a
off
5 minute
it,
volume
so-
balance in there too, which you might want to.
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit of target there on the way down.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Right here at 886. Hill Dog. I just watch 50% all the time because that's just equilibrium. I mean, on every time frame. Sometimes like even if I'm going against the trend, like you can long like a 1 minute OB, and then you can target. So you can use it as targets. You can use it for potential reversal spots. Market maker sell or buy models continuation, because a lot of times you'll have your buy model, sell model, but in the middle there, you'll have like 5 and 50 minute like retracements back up to 50%. And then there'll be like an FEG, kind of like this 15 minute right here. This 15 minute, there's that big 15 minute right here. We come up, we hit 50%, 50 minute, and then we reject. So it's just a spot where you always need to be looking, because the market isn't just gonna go straight down. So
Stop run.
Yep. Nasty. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Well, it always does this.
I mean, it's 2 o'clock though.
We haven't hit the order blocks above it. With that volume balance down there, I feel like it's going to tag that before if there's a long.
Mm-hmm.
Most likely will come back and tag that, especially because it's a counter trend volume balance.
Yeah. All right, there's the 5 minute. All right, so let's see. Yeah, if we're gonna reject, it's gonna be right here. If the inverse is 5 minute, then we're going right back up here. I mean, we do have another 1 minute right here, but
We could be going to the 50% of the full swing.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a nasty stop run. 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Like that 3 drives.
See what happens
It
here.
should come down to at least that 5 minute VI.
Turns frozen, yeah. Yeah, it's also right here in the 1 minute, so VI is down here. Yeah, Equalos and the VI, so. Little LRLR here to the downside, kind of looking.
Yeah. That's low.
Yeah. It's not the best looking LRLR, but it's kind of there.
Patient.
Yep.
It's a nice rejection.
I want to see if we, yep. Okay, we know there's LR there, and we get that off the screen. All right. All right, we hit the 5-minute mark.
Now we belows.
Yep, now we got the equal lows at 76.50.
It's a sweet rejection though. And then if you go and close below that, then you got a 15-minute order block, and that would the 230 candle closes below that green candle that's coming on 15-minute inside of that order block, then off we go.
Yep.
Wouldn't be looking at anything that coming back up.
No, give us the equal lows. Who's short right now? Somebody's short. Holding. Oh, Rafi is. Yeah, Rafi is. Nice. Let's go.
Go Rafi.
Give us the equal lows.
Nice Rafi.
Yep, come on. 6 more points here. Yep. FR short break even probably works good here. Obviously, because you don't want to come all the way back up here now. But we could. I mean, we could come back up and balance these 1 minutes. I shouldn't have said that. We do have a 1 minute BPR now, right here.
Can I ask you guys, like, for ATEPs, like, their consistency target is like 30% of the profit, not the amount you plan on withdrawing, right?
Yes, of the total profit.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Did you make too much money today, Mark?
Well, I was right at the. It's 2,600 to get a withdrawal, so it would be 780 is all you can make, right?
Yep.
So you got to keep it below that. Oh damn! If I only waited till the afternoon to trade those stop steps.
Yeah, right.
I lost my
Oh.
No, the afternoons are much better.
Yep. All right, let's see where 50% is
Looks like
here.
they're building liquidity on that low.
Yeah. Oh, we just hit 50% up here, and we hit the highest 1 minute here. As soon as I talked about those 1 minutes.
I think it's like it's just gonna test. It's gonna go
yeah.
up and play the wick. Might do another round to the 15-minute.
Yep. Might.
If you take a look at the, oh, there's nothing forming on the 30-minute.
Nope.
Nothing on the 45. So yeah, there's no reason to go above the 15.
We did not inverse the BPR, the 1 minute BPR either, but we did dig into every 1 minute that we left on the way down. So, and it's a nice rejection off 50% too. So.
I think those lows are on the menu.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3, right above like a key level of equilibrium.
Mm-hmm. I agree. Come on, you turd. Nope. Messy. All right, I got stopped to break even there, so. But we could come back up into this 1 minute. And so this 1 minute will be up here. So we did just inverse the 1 minute BPR mark. What do you think of that? Anything? Does it change your review?
1 minute will get its ass kicked by 15.
Yeah. Yeah.
And by 5 minutes, so. It's gonna make it painful, but I would I would like to see this thing start expanding at some point when it goes real quick. It could do another stop run, unlikely but possible. Like it could go all the way up to the 5 minute order block.
Oh yeah, it could. It could get. You notice we might close above this 5 minute.
And it might also want to test the equilibrium of the full swing.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it do it all the way up to like that arcing, which is a rejection block. But since no one else has taken, actually, no one else took the lows, so as long as no other indice takes that low, I wouldn't get so scared of retracement.
All right,
when he does this, we shall call him Troy.
I did jinx it. I jinxed it awful. But what do you do?
You know what?
This is the market we trade in now. So
1 minute's a shit show. Like I would look at the wick of the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Like the middle of that wick is right at the 15 minute entry. That big wick from 215.
Yeah.
So you measure the wick there, 50% of it is exactly at the entry of the 15, which is where it is now.
Fading the 2 o'clock move here.
If we do close above that high, I would be careful.
Yep.
It shouldn't be violating that 1 minute order block inside of that FEG.
Jinx that. I love it.
It likes to create pain.
I don't see why we would come back up here though.
Well, if you close the 15 minute,
like it doesn't make sense to come up and take that high.
Seeking,
yeah.
Given that no other industry took that low, I don't think it's going to reject. That's my guess.
Yeah, let's see here. This is kind of messy now.
15 minute tells a story.
Yeah.
15 minute is such a good time frame. Like it's really
I'm not gonna get married to his equal lows though. That's for sure.
Another thing I'd be wary of is that we can chop around here until 3 and create a 1 hour fair value gap to go trade into.
Yep.
I think this could be a little sell model. This is the consolidation.
Could be. Yep, exactly, Rafi. You are 100% right.
Yeah, the FEGs and lows and highs are the best ones. Very, very algorithmic.
Yep.
If you break an FEG at a low or a high, it can be a market structure shift. Not always, but a lot of times, especially on a higher time frame. Like a lot of times when I'm looking at my reversals, I look for like a break of an FEG on market structure. On a low or a high, depending on which way we're going.
Yep.
Fish says that too. He has a name for it. I think we're gonna take those lows. Leopard, don't say a word. No talking. Just kidding. He's muted himself now. We've lost
Oh, I did not know the middle finger was coming there. I did not.
That's such a funny picture. I love it.
I did not see the middle finger come.
Perfect.
Oh. No, we're gonna pump here.
I'm down.
Yeah, pump up.
Leopard's long 10 watts.
Yes. 11, but close.
You're just buying all your stops.
Trying a reverse psychology here.
That is so funny.
Mark, what do you think about a soup with these lows?
I don't know. I would wait for lots of. I mean, in this kind of a bearish environment, it all depends on. I would be. Like, it's possible.
Yeah.
Soup, anything, I'd want confirmation before.
Yeah.
We both paid a big price during a soup.
Yep.
At least I did. Get those. Like I really, I have a strong feeling that we're going to take the daylight low today or tomorrow.
On Thursday?
Might
Yeah.
get a retracement today.
Yeah.
Oh, today or
Good.
tomorrow, not Thursday,
Yeah.
Friday.
Well, that makes sense. Be just like last week.
Yeah. And the one before, the week before that.
Yep.
We have NFP on Friday, so that might be interesting.
We do. That's true.
We could just keep. It's rare you see a Thursday. Actually, Thursday reversals are coming. Sorry, that's what I see these days.
Yep.
So it could be a bearish week with a Thursday reversal.
Could be.
NFP.
No.
Crazy. I could see NFP taking back all this range in like an hour.
Yeah,
I like NFPs. They're like one of my favorites.
It's usually a good trend day. Usually.
It's awful for Forex, but I think for indices, it's usually pretty good. There are bad ones, but they're better than, more good than bad.
I used to love it for a gold. Gold moves like 100 points on every NFP. It is amazing.
You
Either.
don't even have to trade the move. You can like just wait and you get a nice clean day.
Yep. Yeah, it's usually a good trend day.
There we go.
Careful here. ES might
All of
take
you
the
sweating.
lows. ES has equal lows at the lows. ES just is about to take them. ES just took it, so now we have an SMT on these lows. But
We're all gonna take it.
no, we're not, Mark.
YM took it too.
All right, there we go. Well, that's not a good sign then. They all broke the
Yeah, just be
SMT.
careful.
Yep.
Don't do what I would do. Yeah, I might even force a retracement, take them later.
Nice. Nice.
Hopefully your Replicanto
Yeah.
closed all your orders this time.
And we still have the SMT, so we still have the equal lows though. So
Nice. Good thing about Replicanto is you can trade like different accounts, like from Top Step and everybody else. That S&P is nasty.
yep.
I still feel like we can take this out. Maybe not, because it's like maybe the 15-minute order. Oh, nice. Good day, buddy. How many of those accounts are there? Blah, blah.
Yep.
Leopard, are you on mute? You are on mute.
Oh, I am on mute. Yeah. Sorry, I was having a coughing fit. Still got this freaking
Okay.
cold thing. Jesus. Talk too much, my throat goes dry, and it's game over for about 5 minutes. There we go.
Next
All right.
level is 857.75, which is the daily low. Is the 4-hour low. 826. Just hit it. Equilibrium. Bang, boom. All right. What a day, guys. Nice.
Yep.
Another
All
one.
right.
Two,
Well.
two sweet moves.
Yep. Who all caught that short anyway?
A lot of these
Because
guys.
they have conviction. Yeah.
Nails.
Nice.
Nice. So the ones who missed the first one, maybe you have one too.
Andrew, you held that, okay? You held even though I had that trade alerted for Rock Chat, so yeah. And I was curious if Andrew got. Oh, you got back in a little bit. Okay, nice. All right, we gotta move up now.
Now be careful because you can tap equilibrium basis. I'm just gonna watch on Doug Drake.
All right, I will take this 1 minute OB if we get it.
Careful. You do have, I mean, you inverse the 1 hour, you do have liquidity below it. And you also have 61.25 as an issue.
Yeah, we did just put in a 5 minute OB too, but yeah,
So once you're at that, I'd worry about the 15 for me.
yeah.
This could just be this could be a soup.
Yeah.
And you could probably get a scalp at the top of the range.
Well, if
11.75.
if we get it, I would enter. Obviously, we need to close over. I would enter on the body right here at 80, and my stop would be a close under 274. So it'd be like a 6-point stop.
Leopard, I think a better trade for like a reversal would be like a 5 minute.
A 5 minute? Yeah.
Closing and then above it.
So like,
But yeah.
this 5 minute would be a lot better. Absolutely.
Or even a new 5 minute that goes in there.
Yeah.
Digs into the low.
Yeah. I just like the risk reward. I just like the risk reward of 6 points for potential.
Yeah.
I totally get what you're saying though. I mean, we do have liquidity below us, but I guess we did dig into that 5 minute. And my charts are froze. There we go.
This could be a bearish week.
Mm-hmm.
It's overdue for this. So
Yeah.
overdue for this.
Let's see. The only thing I could see us drawn up to is the hourly FVG at 9:11 here in 23 minutes once that closes, along with the hourly OB. But yeah, we do still have the SMT with that hourly low on ES. The hourly low from 11 o'clock last Thursday on PCE when we dipped after the PCE pump. This is the low right here. So this is the low that NQ just took. No, Nicholas, you don't necessarily need a lower time frame one. Yeah, ES off some more equal lows. Yeah.
Usually you pass a bunch of Apex accounts in this.
Oh yeah.
It's like account passing cities.
See, this is
I'm not buying any more until I get my first payment paid. It's like you keep buying them, but you gotta make sure you get paid
Yeah.
first. I think.
See, Mark, look at this right here. We have a 1 minute FVG up here, untapped, with a volume with a volume imbalance sitting right at 50%. I did not take this. I'm just watching it, but so we're just
Show me that again. I had
I was watching the 1 minute here. So the 1 minute right here looks like it's not going to hold. I mean, we could hold CE of the wick here still, but nope.
You know what? It's looking like it's gonna dump.
Yep.
You get a 15-minute close below that order block,
Yeah.
and it's like I would not be looking at any longs for the rest of the day. And maybe 3 o'clock.
Okay. Let's see here. So yeah, we're gonna have another 15-minute candle close, or maybe. We'll see where this 15 closes. But that's what I'll be watching here. Uh, do you have a VI?
Back up.
There's a VI right here.
This 15-minute close is going to be key.
See, yeah.
Doesn't want to displace below this low. We'll see. Or maybe it does. We're in discount territory now.
Yep.
Shorts could get tougher.
Alright, so we take the, we tagged it here. Let's see.
So 42, 242 will be interesting.
Yep.
See if reversals in the making, or it's going to start displacing down. But I'm interested. Interesting to see how.
Yeah, I want to see
If you
what
actually
it does
plot
here.
the 87525 level, you'll see how the 5-minute bodies are respecting it. If you put those high time frame levels, and you look at them on the lower time frame, it tells you
So
a big story.
you're talking, 7525. Oh my God, it's white. There we go. So you're talking about this. Not anymore, Mark.
But it closed.
Here so far, 50% up into this 1 minute OB rejection now. Yeah, we might here.
Yeah, if we close below the order block, I'm
Yeah.
very confident we're going to hit 57.75.
You said that's where the 15-minute liquidity sitting?
15-minute order block.
Oh, down here, yeah.
Well, that's the that's
Yeah.
the 1 hour liquidity.
Yeah.
It's a 4-hour candle low.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, you're right. Yeah. We'll draw it out here.
So that down candle that's forming now, Leopard.
Yep.
Like if there's a sudden swift reversal and close above it, that could be a potential order block candidate on the 5-minute.
Could be. Yeah. Yeah, you're talking. Yeah.
Like that I would
Yep.
like. But I mean, if we close below, I would not.
We're about to put in a 15-minute OB here.
15-minute OB he's gonna
Yep.
slam this thing down.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Unless it somehow whips up in the next 60, 30 seconds, 60
Yeah.
seconds. You know what, Hill Dawago? You gotta just do what works for you, bro.
Yep.
Don't worry what other people do. If that works for you, keep doing it. Because everyone has their own way of looking at shit, and some idiots are gonna cut other people's methods up. Just
Oh yeah.
tune out the noise and do what works for you. That's all
Yep.
that matters. I mean, I still look at VWAP standard deviations, and I don't care if anyone makes fun of it or says, because it's a great confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't use it to trade, it's just a confirmation. It's TCT stuff. It's very good, especially the deviations.
Right.
Exactly, that's the thing. Like, it's like it works for some and not others, and they make fun of it. If it works for you, keep doing it.
For sure. Well said, Mark. All right. Well, there's
The funny thing is,
57.
they don't have to make money, and they're not risking their capital, so who cares what they say? It works for your capital.
Touche, I'm in nothing here.
All right,
No.
15-minute order block is
It
confirmed.
is in.
Down. It
Well,
looks like we're almost
we
at
took
57.75 anyway.
Yeah. Well, we already hit it.
Did we?
We,
Oh, now we did it. 8:26 is the next one. I don't know if we're gonna get that far, but it's very close. We take a look for trace before though. That's a 4-hour low and a daily low.
oh yeah. Yeah.
8:25.50 or 8:26. 8:26.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Looks like Thursday's low.
But I think if we get down there, I mean, unless we're really bearish, I can't see us going much further than that.
Yeah.
Because we're like inside this big daily FEG right now.
Yeah.
Who would have expected this kind of dump?
This is crazy.
That candle is insane.
On a,
It's
on
one
a,
of the biggest
yeah.
candles. It's the biggest candle we've had in months.
No. It is. It
I
is.
don't see a candle that big since
Yeah.
like maybe 24th, 19th of January. Nice. Oh, you did? Nice. Yes. Now in second stage distribution. If you look at the
Yeah.
15 minute, you see the first and the second. It's just gonna keep.
I'm
It's
just-
gonna dump quickly, I think, now to wherever it wants to go.
Let me look, Nikos. Where'd you short at? So, okay, so on that trade, okay, I can go over that quick. So, let's see. So you shorted, looks like right here. Yeah, okay. So on this, you're talking. So you entered. Hold on, let me figure this out here. So you entered here. You entered as soon as we hit this FEG down here. Right? I think I got the wrong one. So you entered, okay. So you entered right here. What made you enter there when there was a 1 minute FEG above here? So like this would have been the better entry because you're higher up in premium. And let's see, I don't know, I don't think this one. So notice this 1 minute FEG was not above 50%. So this would have been the better one. And then look, you're above premium. You're in the 1 minute. Yeah, we inversed it back up, but you also had this this 1 minute order block protecting you as well. So you could have shorted here at like 95, and your stop could have been like 905, which would have been like a 9 or 10 point stop above the mean threshold of this 1 minute. So that would have been the better trade, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh. Oh, you took the 1 minute in. Okay, my bad. I got you. Wait, okay. Mark, are you there?
Yep.
Oh,
Get the charts.
no.
Trying to gauge what it's going to do. Like, I feel like we'll get a
Oh.
pullback before we get to the, if it's going
Gotcha.
after at 8:26 today.
I see
Kind
Nikos.
of we've just re-entered a 4-hour fair value gap.
Yeah.
That's been holding price up, so that could drive a retracement before we get to that low, or it could just dump.
Yeah.
So the 4-hour fair value gap from 2 a.m. on the 22nd of February is what's been holding up price for. So it's kind of banging back down into that.
Yep.
There's one below that's pretty juicy too, but I don't know if we can get that low. 674.
Yeah. All right, Nikos, here, let me try this again. So you shorted this. Okay. So you shorted this 1 minute right here. And so the thing about this, I mean, you would have been at about 10 points, like right here. So I probably would have went to break even here. Yeah, we did take this low. But I don't think it's a bad trade. I mean, not when we had equal lows below. I mean, that was pretty clean. We just happened to get a retrace and fill in these before we end up taking the low. So I mean, I don't think that was bad at all.
My advice to you is to try and get in on the higher time frame fair value gaps. Like when you're in a very heavy trend day like this, you should be looking at the 5 and 15s because it's very easily the ones are going to get run when it goes back to second testing, which is what happened to you.
Also,
go ahead.
No, go ahead. Mine's
I
off
don't
topic.
think that one was on the low either, was it? It was on a low, but like, you gotta be so careful
Yeah.
because it just went right up into that order block,
Mm-hmm.
which I think was another test of the 15-minute too. I always like to look at the one in context with the bigger time frames.
Yeah. Don't forget, we have Powell tomorrow speaking, so yeah, I'm definitely going to trade tomorrow, Tuesday. Absolutely. There's not a day that I don't trade.
Yeah, every day I come out to trade, and if
Yep.
the market shows shit, I don't do it, but I never ever not do it because when people say that and then you just miss a good day, it's like very frustrating.
There's been some very,
one knows
very
what
good
that
days
is.
prior to NFP, so. Long and short, it just depends. It depends what we take here. If we get some kind of, if we take 826, which I expect we will, either tonight or today, and we get some kind of long, I think Powell's going to pump this thing probably right back. There we did leave a ton of equal highs. Obviously we have LRLR, but
The honest truth is, you
Powell's
won't know
Thursday.
until you see the price action overnight. Like what's the gap we're gonna get on close? You know, on open 6 p.m. You know what's gonna happen in London? What's gonna happen in Asia? And then once you see those things, it gives you a lot more context. It's hard to talk about what the market's doing tomorrow without all that information and data.
Yeah.
No, I don't do the AM streams. Just the data.
Yeah, tomorrow at 10. Yeah, tomorrow.
Are you doing the AM stream, Leopard?
Not tomorrow. I have Air Force things to do tomorrow morning, so. Yeah.
Actually, I generally find PM an easier session to trade than AM. AM is very quick. You have to be
It
on the
is.
wall,
Yeah.
get on there fast.
3-minute up if we inverse here. What do you think, Mark? I think we're getting too
Well,
close to Thursday's lows here.
Yeah. It's still pretty
Yeah.
bearish.
I mean, because if you take it, you're going to be
Right.
longing into you're going to be longing into a 15-minute
15-minute
OB.
order block.
Yeah. And we're just so close to these lows now. I just think yeah.
Like, I mean, as the interim target, I would look at the low from 4 p.m. on Wednesday. So when I like to look at the low on the left of the stop run. It's like sometimes it'll just stop on that low and get a retracement.
Yeah.
And that low is what? 846.25.
Let's see. Let's see what. All right, where are we at now? Still floating at 63. Would you short this 5-minute mark? I'm sure you
I'm not
wouldn't.
trading anymore. Would I short that 5 minute?
Yeah, would you?
Potentially. I mean, you're getting, the lower you get, the lower the probability.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like if you really like say, okay, let's create this one. Where would the swing start? 15 minute or at the 1 hour? 15-minute swing.
If you do the 15-minute swing, it brings you
swing from the high to like 826, and then you grade it into four. Like you should not be doing anything. You should not be taking any shorts below equilibrium with that.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, you can. That's lower probability.
All right. So say we get a. All right. So say we close this.
I'm talking about a projected swing.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Okay. So say we get some kind of retrace here into the 15-minute FEG and the 15-minute OB protecting us. Looks like a good short, right? If we don't take 826.
Yeah, it is a good short.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's a you know, double the amount of things backing you up.
But as you get lower, the probabilities get more chance of you getting stop runs, especially when you're below 50% of the projected swing. So that's like, say, the high of the swing is 910. The projected low would be 826, which is a low. That's what I teach is grade your swings from high to projected low.
Yep.
And then you try not to take trades below 50% of that. That's where you might get stopped.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. So we'll get the 15-minute close for another 350 here.
I think the trades were the 5 minute and the 15 minute above.
Yeah.
I would be very cautious getting in now because you're very low. Not saying it's not going to dump, but like probabilities are not working for you as they were before. Like below, you're in the discount market.
Very
and you're in the discount projected swing. So 3 o'clock's coming through. So. There's a big hourly FPG up above. Which could act as a draw. Well, it's unlikely that stay bearish. Yeah, I know, Sean, but you're hitting at the daily low and you're 50% below on 50% of the piece. Very high time frame distance. And I agree, like every time a lot of these bigs moves down, like you always worry about being in discount, but
Yeah.
we are in discount now.
You're,
You're like in the 20-day up to data range,
Yep.
which is the weekly swing.
yeah, you're in discount of every higher time frame besides the monthly. Speaking of the monthly, I mean, it makes sense here that we're trading back into February's range. What you mentioned the wick this morning, Mark? What
Which
wick? Well, you talked about the monthly wick. I wasn't sure what you were talking about when you said that this morning. You mentioned a monthly wick.
Dude.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I don't think I said that this morning, but if you go back into the monthly,
Yeah.
go back to the monthly.
Yep.
And then look at the candle from 2 months ago.
Okay.
That one, measure the wick up.
Oh, okay.
See how the wick was it was a redelivered rebalance.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened is that the candle redelivered the wick.
Gotcha.
So it should not go below 50% of that wick.
Of that
So
wick.
it's being redelivered by the candle. So it's had, I don't like that volume imbalance to be honest, but it has had 1, 2, 3 passes except for that. But you do have a little inefficiency there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
But that would be another level to look at 5:15.75.
Yeah. Okay.
Would I take the 15-minute Sibi right away of a lower time frame entry? I would have taken the 15-minute Sibi like when I first printed, but if we go up to that 15-minute Sibi now and are above the 15-minute order block, I'm not going to take it because you violated a 15-minute order block. And that consolidation, that order block, which is a consolidation on a 5-minute, could be a buy model.
Yep.
Perfect day for options. I've never traded options. Obviously, if we want to talk about options, we have options here to discuss.
Yes. Yep.
I like futures because you get much more leverage, don't you?
Yeah. I like both. They both have their purpose, but
Options are expensive, aren't they?
they are. But today would have been a great day for options, just because you could just buy puts and then just ride them all day instead of like worrying about entries with a future. So I think that's like the simplicity of it. Like for a trend days, yeah.
There's a little 15-minute FEG that's formed, and it's formed with a low of the order block. It could be another entry because we've not hit that low yet, and we have not hit that that level from on the other side low, which is 846.25. So if you guys are looking for another entry, I'd look in that 15-minute and see if there's anything in the lower time frame that gives you a confirmation. We're now on 3 o'clock too.
It's 3 o'clock. Time for a stop run. How about a stop run right up to this 15 minute?
That 15-minute is nice because you have an order block at top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And if you measure the swing down, where's 50%?
Yep.
Right at that order, right at the top there.
There.
So that's a potential entry, guys. That you should give everyone who wants to enter again.
Mm-hmm. Like I would, if you want to take this, I would wait until 50% hits, and then you're.
Wait, Amy, didn't you enter on the last two?
Yep.
Yeah, that's another one for you guys. Yeah, 50%, but you can also see. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, gotcha. I wish I didn't max out my top steps this morning. I find the top step too.
We left 1 minute equal
top
lows.
Step 50Ks are really tough to trade because it just doesn't give you enough.
Yeah, I didn't like them.
I much prefer it on Apex when you're just doing little things because this is the daily draw.
Yeah.
For top step, I think you need a 150.
Yeah.
I wouldn't enter on that 15-minute. You got to be careful because of how low we are.
Yeah.
And also, if we close above the low of that, inside that fair value gap, you got a 50-minute order block below you.
Yeah, this could be.
But I still think it because we have not hit that daily low, which I'm seeing. I'm more and more thinking that's the drawn liquidity.
Yep.
Let's we should check the other indices and see if they've hit that daily low.
No.
Yes is close too.
Yes is close. Yeah.
YM's way beyond it.
Yeah.
Yes, if ES takes it out, be more careful.
If you want to short this, I would wait until the 50%, and then if it doesn't get it, be okay with the market going without you. But your risk reward is so much better at 50%, and then your stop is literally 7 points here when if we start violating the mean threshold of this 15-minute. I mean, you could hold for the wick up here too, but it's just totally up to you. This is one of those personal preference ones. I would rather see us hit premium up here, but.
I'm short on demo dollars.
Also worth mentioning, we did leave 1 minute equal lows down here. At 852.50. So.
It was a nice reaction there too.
Yeah, it is.
Might come back and run the high. But I always feel like if the trend's really strong, get stopped out. Don't try and fight the trend.
Yeah.
Just keep going with the trend until it tells you it's not working anymore.
Yep. ES
the trend can keep going a lot longer than you can stay solvent.
Yeah.
Saying I love.
Yep.
Yes, what?
ES did just take the hourly low that we targeted earlier.
Not the daily low, right?
The one we had an SMT with it on, the hourly low from earlier, what that we chased on at 898 or whatever.
The one we've already taken?
Yes. The
Okay, so there's no.
the 11 o'clock low from last Thursday.
For ES, I would just watch that daily low. That's the key. Make
Mm-hmm.
sure if ES takes that daily low, I would.
Yeah. There, let me drop it 50% back out here. So I'd be looking at like 18, like 880 if you're wanting to short this. Right. You're gonna demo this, Mark? Are you in here? Oh, you're in the okay.
I'm in
You're-
10 lots at 8.
10 lots. Hell yeah.
If you do demo, you may as well go
Yeah.
all out.
Yeah. Right. Exactly.
No, I can like blow up my toy Ferrari and then tell you guys that I'm
Yeah.
a baller here with my demo dollars.
Hell yeah.
There's a potential
Right.
5-minute inverse you could look for here,
Right.
unless this thing is just going.
I do have a limit set here at 1880 on this eval. So
Just be
okay.
careful because there is a 1 hour above too.
Yeah.
Although it's got to get through the 15-minute hour block, which is looks
Yep.
like it's.
Okay. The big candle. So we have plenty of time to come back down and not make this a 50-minute OB. So.
Yeah, you gotta watch where the 15-minute closes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if we inverse 15,
Come
would
up in that loop,
would you get out, Mark, if we inverse this 15? If we inverse the 15 and get a 15-minute OB, absolutely. Yep.
If we inverse the 15, I would look at the hourly,
Yep.
which is up at where's it around 9 that high.
Yep. So we have okay. So the target for me would be the equal lows down here at 52.50.
Although the hourly, we should not get to that hourly because
Right.
the hourly's got a price range. Do you see how in the hourly how the wick and candle are together, like I showed you earlier?
Oh yeah.
It shouldn't go up higher than 50% of that
50%,
again.
yep.
It's a different direction of the
Rebalance,
It's
yep.
called redelivered rebalance.
Beautiful rejection here. All right, there's 15 points. I would absolutely probably go to break even here. Totally up to you. I'm holding for the equal lows.
Yeah.
Or you can hold a runner for Thursday's low if you want, but see why you wait for 50% though.
As long as ES hasn't taken Thursday's low, it's on the menu.
Yeah.
What level is Thursday's low on ES, Leopard?
You're looking at 50.63.25.
Okay, so it's close.
Well, actually, it's
10
lower than
points.
lower than that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, sorry.
There's a nice
I was looking
reaction
at New York, 50.60 for ES. So you got a little bit lower, 10 points or so.
Which is like 50 points for me.
Yep. Nice reaction there. Give us the equal lows here. Wait, that'll be a quick 30
Plus
points.
the daily low.
Daily low works too. Yeah.
846.
Yep.
Another is 857. 70. Wait, no, sorry.
Yep.
846.25 is another level to watch.
Yep.
Which is the low on the other side of the stop
Yep.
run. Because there's not much liquidity in a stop run. There's much more liquidity on the failure swings.
Mm-hmm. Clear.
So we need to always keep in mind.
I'm going to cover one at the equal lows, and I'm going to hold one for Thursday lows.
Because it's a high resistance liquidity run there to get to the that daily low.
Yep. Who took that? What? Scott, we just took a short here. Some people entered on the 15. I wanted to wait for 50% here up into this 50-minute OB. So like if you shorted here, I mean look, you shorted and then you had to deal with 14 points of drawdown. When this was obviously the better entry because you're up here at 50% and look you had 2.5-3 points of a drawdown. So
what's beautiful, Leopard, is how the 1 minute respected.
It is,
this
yeah.
EE of that. Look at that. It's
Yep.
like almost perfect.
that's exactly what you want to see because you did not want to see this candle get closed over. Granted, we haven't closed yet, and you did not want to see this inverse. So at worst here, I'm going to get stopped at a break even, or I'm going to have a 30 point winner. So. absolute textbook, and that's how you can always use 50%.
You know, ICT does say on market maker models that are bearish, it can really extend it. It can really reach a lot farther than it does on the bullish ones.
Yeah. No.
It can be a little more aggressive with your targets.
Quan, you turd. But let's see what else do we got going for us here.
Stalling.
Nah. Either way, it's 20 points so far.
Well, every single one it does, as it goes on, they're going to take longer.
Mm-hmm.
See how fast they happen in the morning? It's insane.
Yeah.
You can catch one of those morning runs. It's like 100 points in like 10 minutes. You know?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Nikas, what order block are you talking about? What time? I mean, this would be a 1 minute order block. This would be a 1 minute order block here. This would not be yet because we haven't closed below it.
That was such a beautiful projection.
It was.
Just
It was
placed like
perfect. Yeah, Nikas, that's a 1 minute order block now.
that. Or the one inside, yeah.
Yeah.
Although I would like to see a 5 minute one.
Yep.
Yeah, they may not make it clean.
Nope. That's
So
okay.
far down.
Yep.
But see how it reached up to premium, like just above the equilibrium?
Range.
If you do the equilibrium of the weekly swing, it respected
Yep.
that too, the box.
We did.
I love like super high time frame levels on the 1 minute. It's amazing.
Yeah.
You have to see like how it gets respected and disrespected. You know, the higher time frames means you can have a big order block that'll go to 50% on, which would be the lowest order, the lowest down candle on a lower time frame.
Nice LRLR here building up to the downside. Not much here, but I do want to see us close. When does this 5 minute candle close? Oh, we got 3 minutes yet, so it makes sense that 5 minute candle kind of dug up there. First 2 minutes of it usually are a manipulation, as the mark says. So hopefully the last three.
312 too.
Yeah, hopefully the last three drive us down here.
I wouldn't be surprised if they do a stop run because they're like 3 o'clock. That happens a lot.
Oh yeah. This could have been the 3 o'clock stop run, Mark.
It could. Let's see what 312 does.
Yep.
Yes, we are. But I would look at
Oh,
CE if that
yep.
bullish is your next level, which is below us. That daily bullish, busy. Busy is 834.50. The daily one. See, the thing is, Sean, is that daily has those
Nice.
inside of
Let's
that
go.
FGs are very good targets.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, up to that LRLR. Here comes the stop run.
So Asian range levels I have are 839.50
Yep.
and 818.
All right, there we go.
Next.
All right, there's target number 1. I am out 1 there. I'm holding another one. See if we can't hold for a Thursday
Trading view
low.
didn't even like get me out of my target. It went below. Piece of shit.
Junk.
Didn't take the low.
It did not.
It is junk.
It is junk.
I would not want to trade real on this.
That played out absolutely perfect. That's as textbook as it gets right there. So clean.
Nice aim.
Yep. All right, come on, give us 26 now. Yeah, nice catch, Andrew. did not alert rock chat for that one. I should have.
It should just spool down.
Yeah.
We shouldn't see much back and forth on this. If it really wants to hit those today. Is that yes? It's getting close to it.
It is. Oh yeah. Yeah, down to 50, 60. You know, I wish I would have executed that. That would have been a nice video to make. All right, give us 26.
Okay, we passed the 46.25.
Yeah. We want our 54-point play here. Come on.
Greedy mofo leopard.
Yes, sir. Well, I'm short on this eval, so down
nice.
here it almost passes it, so that's why.
Is that an Apex or a Top Step?
It's an elite. It's an elite 100K
Oh.
static account. So
Are they on sale again?
they're not. I bought it before. I forgot I had it, so
Oh.
it gave me something to a trade here instead of lives.
Well,
So.
1 day passes are so good. 'Cause
They
I
are.
find like it's so frustrating when you can't pass on a good day.
Mm-hmm. All right, I want to see us close under this 5-minute candle here, which we are going to do right now. So now we have another 5-minute OB protecting us above. It's fully protecting our stop, so I like our odds to go hit Thursday's low now.
You have the opposite of FOMO.
Yep.
This is a massive trend day.
Yeah, it's huge.
So,
Yeah.
like, this is like
We haven't had a day like this in a
I haven't
long
measured the
time.
opening balance yet to do that.
Like, look at this. Yeah, it's huge. The other day I see is this one.
769.25 is one deviation of the opening balance.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, it'd be kind of crazy if we got down there.
We can see. We'll just 5-minute here. Yeah, same Casey. Same.
Those 3 entries are just beauties. Eh?
Oh yeah. This doesn't get any better than that.
It's a lot of people banked hard because it's kind of quiet in here.
That's a good thing. Take your wins and get off the charts. I said we could come all the way back up here. Did we leave? Are those what I think they are? They are not. Okay, they're not 5-minute equal lows. Happily stopped out. Yep, nice Emilio. If you guys are still in this, I would put your stops to the mean threshold of this 5-minute, like a close over it. Yes, Glenn. So that entry was just plus the 50-minute FVG as well. So I mean, you had equal lows below. You had 50% above here. You still had a strong daily drawdown here with last Thursday's low. You hit 50%, and then the 50-minute order block right here, right at the high of the FVG, right at 50%. So, like, if you take an L here, this is like A plus to me.
I mean, when we're spooling like this, you don't want to see FGs broken or anything.
Yeah.
Watch that 1 minute. It's a good place.
Invalidation to me would have been a strong, like if we started really disrespecting this 50-minute OB. So I mean, your stop would have been like 10 points here or so.
It's very unlikely you would have that validation when you haven't hit the wrong liquidity yet.
Yeah. I like this reaction off the 5-minute OB now. Look how we respected the mean threshold of this here.
It's interesting, but this is like when everything works, when
Yeah.
stupid ranges where everything breaks down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's relatively equal low. She'll get smashed here. Give me 26.
Wizard, I hope you're cleaning up there too, bro. Oh yeah.
He did. He just caught that, but yeah, it is 4-hour AMD. Okay.
Drinks
Okay.
are on Wizard.
Yeah. was it? No, I thought it was close to 3 o'clock already. It's not, or 4 o'clock, I should say. For
15 minutes is just being deadly. I'd watch that one.
so far, I'm watching. Well, I'm
I
watching.
want to see that 1 minute violated.
Yeah, I'm watching that because that's also gonna be right at 50%. So.
There's also like a breaker there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you got a breaker in here along with 1 minute FPG. So it's kind of the same setup we just had, just
Don't want that violated.
just on the 1 minute.
This stage and second stage distribution, this thing should not be retracing.
Mm-hmm.
If it wants to go and take those slopes.
Yep.
May not.
It might be a London thing too. I mean, London or an Asia thing. What do you think about this 1 minute inverse market if we get it?
I wouldn't go long.
I'm just kidding. I
I'd
know.
like, move my short stop.
Yeah. Mhm.
Trailing right down. Yeah, long. It's anyone who longs now is crazy. I think the morning session was great if you were like convinced of the short buys, but the afternoon sessions were pretty easy. Some of the easiest sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Like I remember this is like 2001. This was like 4 to 5 days a week.
Yeah.
It's like 60% of training days were like this. It was so sweet. I miss those days.
There it is. 50%'s doing its work again. Tells you we're still bearish here. Clean.
I think it's gonna do I'd like to see it do a nice mad stab down at that low.
You better.
330, gotta move up. Well, I still would not long today. Period. I don't care. It's gonna be long.
It's crazy. We didn't have like any big news today either. Big data.
Because we have taken daily signals.
Yeah, we have. Yeah. Well, I was wondering what you were talking about.
Yeah, no. I don't know what I was talking about either. Yeah, we had a red folder.
Yeah. Yeah, we have one red folder, but I mean, it's not like a big. Like these are the days. These are like NFP type days, not like, you know, some PMI or something. Like it's. Whew, okay. What the hell is that? 222 or 322?
It's gonna hit.
Yeah.
Careful, because it's coming right up to CE of the daily FEJ. That might give it a bounce back up. So close though to the ES is what's ES 560, right?
Yeah, 50,
Yes.
50 60, yeah. They're
Yes,
going to
it's
be
a
about the same
low.
thing.
Yeah. But I would close the trade if ES hits that low. I could just keep tumbling. I think I could go all the way down
Yep.
to like
Ow.
688, which is the order block
Oh,
BCA
yeah.
at the bottom of the 4 hour.
Wizards always selling early. You got 14 points yet. You selling early.
Good old masses, millions.
Look at that. Nice doc. That's a. Rode it right to the volume balance. It's pretty. What's 1 minute? Okay.
I want to see that 5 minutes.
I was just gonna say, yeah, we want a 5 minute prop, 5 minute prop block here would be really really nice. What's the 15? We should have no 15 on candle. Yeah. Okay. Get rid of that. We know we're at 50%.
Here comes a squeeze.
No, Mark. No.
Like again, that FUG has to hold.
Is there anything to the left that we're holding? Like, no, it's just a big old wick.
Just reprobing the order block.
Well, remember, this is a 4-hour OB wick here, so I'm just kind of paying attention to that. I don't think that's gonna hold us up here. Just digging a little more. We just hit the body of this higher 5 minute OB, so might have been what we were coming up for here. We just tapped the open of it.
Oh yeah, he always likes to do that.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen so many stop runs of that. You know?
Yeah, it happens a lot.
That's efficient delivered price theory from Kish.
Yeah. Yep.
God, is that really you in that alien suit? Space suit. It's a funny profile pic, I gotta say.
Must be a Canadian thing too. I do that.
That's from Canada.
Helmet dive in the Bahamas.
Nice.
Oh no, yeah. Okay.
I thought you were like participating from the ISS or something.
Yeah, still 6 points away here. Looks like NQ should take it first, but
Looks like it's accumulating in that FEG.
oh yeah, we did have a
Getting
volume
ready-
bounce.
Distributing, getting ready for accumulating shorts.
Yeah.
Or like a quick rundown.
Hopefully.
If it does do it a lot, I can see it snap back and create a breaker really fast.
Yeah. On the 1 minute here, I'd like to see us close below this 1 minute and inverse this at the same time. That would be pretty convincing for me. Because then we get the OB plus the inverse. Yeah, it's 5 points away from the lows. Is anyone still holding short? Or is
Hit the first
everyone
swing
out?
projection of which time
That's
moves.
okay. You be careful, Mark. I want my Thursday lows.
Famous last words.
Yeah, here it comes.
I mean, I would watch it 1 minute because if that gets
Well,
inversed.
we just inversed it.
What are you talking about? No, I mean the one above.
Oh, you're talking.
Like for a validation.
You're talking because price keeps holding and respecting that. No, that's a good point
Yeah,
there.
if it inverses that,
Yeah.
that
Oh,
would stop pretty low.
that's a beautiful reaction off the open of that OB though. That's perfect. That's so
You ain't
perfect.
trying to jinx no one, man. Just make sure no one gets fucked. I've seen it happen a lot.
Yeah. I want to see us close below here. Yeah, I want to see us close below 843.50 here. Yeah, still has some room to go down. Equal O's now. Okay, good. Don't you have to have drawn? Thank you, market. Alright, 1 minute OB is in now. Dump this pig. Alright, 10 points to go. ES has 4 points to go.
Right below is CE of the 1 hour FEG.
Yep.
Pissy, so just be careful. Not
Yep.
jinxing nobody. Just telling you what's happening.
Yeah. Yep. We appreciate you, Mark. I have limits set at 827. $827 or if ES takes first. Watching both here. ES is only 3 points away now.
It's amazing that you can actually get emotionally invested with this these demo dollars.
What?
Like you actually care.
Oh,
I do.
I'm glad you do. I think Dodgy does too, so a little bit.
Yeah, just like a win-lose thing.
Yeah. One time he told me I could like trade demo on screen. He was like, "But if you don't want to mess up your demo account and how much it's up and stuff, you don't have to." I was like, "I don't care." Like I guess like some people, yeah, I guess are serious about it. So.
Well, it's easy to run a demo account to like 1 million because you don't give a damn.
Yeah.
Like it's like you can take it down to $1 and then back up. You don't really care.
Yeah.
That's the problem with demo.
Yep. This is gonna make us wait 20 minutes, isn't it? Until 3:50.
We're at 3:30 now, so.
Yep. I'm getting emotional here, Mark. Getting emotional. All right, there's a tap of the body of the of that woman OB.
Well, we did open. Did we open below that 5 minute?
We did not.
We did.
Oh yeah, yeah, nice. No, close to the tick of the 5 minutes.
Good enough for cover. Good enough for
Yeah,
cover.
yeah, right, yeah. But so far, good reaction off the open of this 1 minute OB, the retest of it. So nice little LRLR here.
Come on, just stab down and finish this.
Please.
Just put your dagger in it and let's go.
Mm-hmm. We are putting a little bit of LRLR here to the upside, but nothing crazy.
We still haven't even hit the CE of the hourly daily FEG.
FEG, yeah. Come on. 12 points.
CE.
Go.
That's it. Okay.
Yes is still 3 points away, 4 points away, and
We just hit CE of the daily FEG.
thanks, Mark.
Unfortunately.
Here comes the 50% hourly retrace now. All the way back up. Imagine we go up to this hourly fair value gap first, all the way up at 911. How painful that would be to watch.
It's possible.
I know it is. Yeah, it's 100% possible. Nice, Doc. I do not blame you. If this wasn't in eval that passes down here, I would absolutely probably have been out too. But
The worst are the evals that like you want to pass
Yeah.
and they like miss it by like a point and then you hold it and
Yeah.
it comes right back on you.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Doc.
Yep. There we go. ES does have a big
ES
old
did not take it, did it?
no. So ES has a 15-minute right here that did not get rebalanced when NQ rebalanced its. So and ES just stayed down. So
It's really digging into that order block.
it is.
It's not really an order block.
Don't remind me, Mark. Oh, this one?
Well,
Yeah. Yeah.
Right back to that damn bit city. In the 1 minute.
Yep.
Stop run or stop run. It wouldn't be nice if it didn't do this, you know?
I hate this market.
I remember all these people when I used to trade the mini and I started learning and they would be like, stay away
Yep.
from NAS, it's just stock runs. It's so
Yeah.
it actually turned out to be so much cleaner.
I mean, now we have a nice 1 minute OB here.
long.
Long up to a 911.
Long inverse.
If we inverse this, we're probably going up a lot higher here. Nice sell, Doc. I'm glad you did.
You don't want to see it on more like a 5 minute. You don't want a 5 minute either.
Yeah.
It's looking like it's going to be created unless this thing just.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
projects quickly.
We got 45 seconds here until this becomes one. I will not get emotional.
Project like just
Alright.
let's see, and you're golden.
Later, Willie. Oh yeah, ES did leave equal lows at the lows, so good sign. But this is obnoxious. You're out.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, you should. Okay, yeah, I forgot your demo.
this closes above, and
Yeah, yeah,
I think this is not. No, I'm at. This is.
yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna buy the inverse.
Yeah. Is anyone?
I just bought 20 on demo.
I'm not sure,
I
Moss.
think the 15-minute high out.
Oh, you bought. You think we're going all the way back up to that high?
No, but at least the high in the FE.
Mark, that's my break even.
Is it?
Yes.
Is that a protected high?
Up at 880 is my break even. Yeah. It is a protect.
866. I'm looking at.
Oh, okay. 866 would be a protected high because we took a new low. This high took us to a new low. But
I don't like that 5 minute OB.
nope. Me either.
You're still in leverage?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's an eval. I'm at break even. I mean, I already trimmed and I want to break even.
Could just go right.
If it was live, I definitely would be out. But
I can't stand when you see those fair value gaps that get like utilized and take it inversed.
yeah, no, I get it. And we got a 5 minute OB, so I mean, we could come down and we'll come down and test the body of this 5 minute here.
Should take that high, like that 1 minute high next. That's 66.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, we did leave a 1 minute VI down here as well. Where's 50% of this range? So we did not leave equal highs. 50% lines up with that VI here, so look for price to come back down into there. 2 minutes short. You're talking about this one? I don't mind it. It's just a short into a 5 minute OB, so it's a little sketch. But I mean, as an eval trade, sure. I mean, your stop would be what, 46 to 54, so like an 7 or 8 point stop if you're lucky and get a nice close, a nice stop. Yeah, I don't mind it.
No, it still could come back down to that VI once it goes up to do what it has to do.
No mark.
If it's just looking to do a stop run, it shouldn't even violate the
Yeah. That's a nice 5 minute candle though. Alright, so you're looking at what mark? 66, right?
Yeah, take
So-
off 3/4 in that position at 66,
Right.
but yeah, it even gets it.
5 minute equal highs now. What we left up here. What if it'd be awesome if we leave these and then we get a nice and then we take this. We could get a nice quick long. I doubt we get that much movement, but anything's possible.
You might want to retest that 15 minute. It might go up that high.
Good.
I think this is a trade I would never take
Oh yeah.
on a Val demo. I mean, sorry, anything but demo.
Mm-hmm. Just because we're so close to the sell side down there. So, yeah, we did leave the equal highs. Let's see if we would take them. I guess they're only 1 minute equal highs. Never mind. I thought this was 5 minutes. So, yeah, not 2.
I created like a 5-minute FEG and have to go down.
Might.
Small one.
Might. Let's see.
It's got a little one in there. Probably needs to.
Well, it did already rebalance this 1 minute VI. This one. But yeah, so this one's
It
still
might come
still
back
down
down
here.
there later. It might go up.
Yeah.
So it'll come back and deal with that after.
Nice LR here to the
Let's go get
downside.
some liquidity.
It just took all these highs. Ain't that good enough for you,
Like
Mark?
that consolidation.
Yeah. I'm just gonna argue against
Might
everything
be-
USA, Mark.
You know what? Leopard traded up into the higher C.
Mm-hmm.
And that
Oh,
might be
yeah.
That's what is dodgy call them the external and internal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
His fancy names.
Well, I'm also we're still respecting the CE of that OB, or the mean threshold of that OB, as well, of the 5 minute OB. Man, my
And
chart
the CE
froze.
of the 1 minute inversions. Oh,
Yeah.
there.
Oof. There's the.
There went into the 5 minute
Yeah.
FEG.
All right. Oh yeah, we did have a tiny 5 minute, and we tapped the 5 minute the open. Yep, sure did. Crazy.
If I was looking for a short, I would be looking for a retest of the 15 minute.
Yeah. All right, we should go see. We should go take the equal highs up here now. That we left on the 1 minute. It's pretty obvious. But just still leave the 1 minute down there. Triple equal highs now. All right, there's equal highs. Here comes 66. And then retest of the 15 would be up here at 70. But to get a retest of that 15, we would have to really push over the mean threshold of this 5 minute.
Well, it can wake up there,
Yeah.
but it might not come. You said
Mhm.
that's a protected high, right?
Yeah. 66 is a protected high. Let's see. But let's see. Let me draw my range again here. So, I mean, 849 is 50% here. The 1 minute VI is down here at 47. Yeah, it's not a good long up here, not in my opinion. Just because, yeah, we're so close here. Oh, you missed some good trades today, Ed. That's all right. Yes, Gwen. So like 66 is the protected high here because this was the last high that sent us to a new low. Wizard's typing right now, so he's better at explaining it. That's his thing.
It's taken that protected high.
Oh, 320 became the new one because this. Okay, so this high is the new one. So since we closed above it, that's your break of structure. Is it? You know, Mark, it could be. I mean, this could be. This is technically a dealing range now, but. Wow, this is obnoxious now.
Chopping.
Look at this. Yeah. I'm gonna scan my lunch today with this barcode.
Watch your 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That high ain't gonna be protected anymore.
No. Well, we already broke it, Mark, because this new high right here, 320 is the new. It was the new protected high. So yeah, there you go. So there's that. Back up into the 15. 10 points away from getting stopped to break even. telling you, Mark, we're going for that. We're going for that hourly fair value gap. I called it. I talked it right into existence. Imagine.
Possible, but it's you got to get through that PPR.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yep.
This could be just a propulsion block.
Yeah.
15 minute.
We bounced right at the CE of that daily FEG. Yep. Yeah. Mark did mention that.
It respected the sea.
Yeah, it sure did. My stop's hanging on by
Oh
a
my God,
by a
you're
thread
still
here.
in
Mark.
this?
Oh yeah, my stop's at 79. No emotion.
Is your stop in the money?
By a tick. Yeah.
Oh boy.
I already trimmed. I'm fine. I have no emotion. This is an eval that I forgot I had. So all right, I am stopped out now. Still made 580 on the trade. I'm completely content. This is pretty bullish though, right?
It is. But
very
it's the closes that matter, right?
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
Massively, like horrible stop run.
Yeah. This is.
Like it's going into the BPR on the 1 hour now.
Let's see this data that you guys are talking about. Okay, so you guys are talking about this one. Yep. Right at it.
If we inverse the 15 minute, then change my trend. Looking at the seas, pretty powerful level.
Yep. Wow. All right. Full port long, Mark. You ready?
Hit the high.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not taking anything here. Let's see what happens at 350 though. It's a hell of a move. Look at that, right off CE. That's.
Yeah, we're going the hourly.
Yep. I talked it in. I'm gonna stop saying stuff like that. It's twice today.
There's just no respect for anything here.
Nope. Is anybody long right now? Curious if anybody took this. Nice. Okay, you're scalping. Okay. I mean, we should. We're gonna push up to a 911 here. Wouldn't you agree, Mark? Oh, you're out now. Okay, nice.
Yeah, I think so. It's a buy model.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, right up to 911. Told you that was yeah. I mean that was a dealing range. As soon as we closed over here, that was your dealing range. So, but just. Oh. Protect that hot Jesus. Hey, J.K. Rowling in the house. That's like a whole book there.
So
I mean,
love. Yeah, it looks like it's going for this 1 hour big time.
No, it's yeah. I'd be holding for 9/11 here. I mean, we should tap right into this into 9/11 into this hourly fair value gap here. As soon as I say that though, we're gonna dump. So everything I've said today is.
Hourly.
Yep.
Sorry, the 1 hour.
Yeah, I should.
Unless it goes down and runs the effigy there.
Good. Well, we got 5 minutes below it. 5 minute effigies below us now. That. Every time I say something.
He's got the hell up.
Man. I mean, where is?
350.
Oh yeah, 350.
Yeah, that should take it up.
There we go. Come on. All right. Who's chasing? Mark?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm in.
Oh, you're in. Okay. Okay. Oh, just on demo? Come on. That's no fun.
I have no accounts to trade right now.
Oh.
I'm in my personal one.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Give us 9/11.
Nice to have a day like this, guys. Wow.
Yep. Might pass the Seville after all. Just the other way.
Just remember, the Wago, like, passing the evals is the easy part.
Yep.
That's something you gotta worry about.
Yep.
Much harder. CR is a question. Not sure.
What?
On a high time frame, close happens after taking the internal high.
I'm not entirely sure what you mean. So do
Like,
you?
I don't get the whole internal high thing. It's a
Yeah.
dodge.
Yeah, I don't pay too much attention to like the internal highs, like the way that Dodgy does to every single high. Like, it's all I can really say to that. I can just tell like on the 5 or the 15 like where the liquidity should be resting and where the target like should be. So I think Dodgy just likes to preach it just to be like a lot more safer and conservative. So I think that's just the way he likes to do it, just to ensure people are taking at least break even trades and not taking L's. All right, equal highs got swept here.
You know how I know we're coming back up, Robert, is because the overnight gap down is enormous.
Oh yeah.
There's no way that they're leaving this open the regular trading hours.
Mm-hmm. Go. Alright. Left the 1 minute VI down here, Mark. And not yet. You're
Those
out?
two, like,
Oh.
always.
Alright, I'm out there. see here. Yeah, that works. Just a fun little chase there to end the day. Not bad. See how you can change your bias like real quick though. Like we thought the lows were coming, then as soon as we start like inversing stuff back up with this kind of displacement, you can automatically like change your bias, especially when there's untapped hourly FEG above. But
I feel like we're in for some wild price action this week. Just
could be.
a lot of stuff all over the place that just needs to get to.
We're here for it, Mark. We're here for it. I need a little bit higher here, Mark. I need a couple more points up.
Probably about equal lows on the day.
Oof.
Nabbed.
Yeah, they might.
Nab them overnight.
They might.
I got a feeling nothing like NFP is one of the things you're nabbed.
That's gonna be pretty crazy. There it is. All right. Nice. Well, I ended up still passing that eval mark. Just
That was
the elite static.
They don't have the consistency target.
It's 40%, not for evals though.
Is it a 150?
It's a 100k static.
50k is outside of Apex.
Yeah.
Against
Right. Later, MP.
They're gonna trade a massive number of them. They're totally useless. Unless you're gonna like copy.
All right. So it looks like we could go pay this 1 hour visit. That's a hell of a reaction off that daily CD. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why I called it out. It happens all the time. Just
Yeah. At some point, Andrew, they'll get swept.
think how many people were holding for that low.
Yeah.
It was like screaming to me that it's
Mm-hmm.
fuck everyone. Sorry. I can't say
It's
anything
got
else.
yeah. There's just a chase there. There's no. I mean, you could have entered. I guess like on the 50-minute inverse, you could have entered there. But other than that, it's just more of a chase. But yeah. Yeah. So you just gotta be so quick to know when to change your bias. It's just like I can't explain it, but
Pretty much 1 to 8 deviations. The body's
nice.
vision range.
Yep. I almost grabbed some SPX 0 DTE down there to chase that hourly FEG. They went from 95 cents to $8. Damn.
I think it's gonna actually might shoot for this. It's high up here.
Hourly high?
Yeah.
Okay.
978. Wouldn't be surprised. It's hitting the hourly order block now too, so who knows how far it'll get up. I've got our
Yep, later, Effie. Yep. It would be like an hourly change if we, oh, that's 4 hour I'm looking at. So if we like closed above here, yeah, that'd be like in an hourly breaker structure. We have to close above it though. We can't just wick above it. We have to close above it. And then that would set up like your dealing range, and then you could look for some kind of 50% down, but then we're gonna have the equal lows. So we'll see what London gives us.
Great session, guys.
Yeah,
It was,
yeah,
one of
that's
the best
cool.
ones we've had
Yeah.
so far. So
Mhm.
We all banked well. There was like a lot of
Yeah.
great setups, a lot of money on the table. It's
Yeah.
good to see all you passing. Let's keep
Yeah,
going.
for sure.
Have a good night. We'll see you guys
Yeah.
tomorrow.
The market's not closed yet. Mark, what are you doing?
Leopard's gonna do the aftermarket. All right. Take care, guys.
All right. Yep. Let me look at that. I'll show you. I'll see what I have. I think it's should be about 18,004. Yeah. Yeah, about 18,007 or so. So would be what I see. 18,007, 18,004, all close enough. But yep. All right, guys. We'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace.